everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Boyke. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Acmed face wash from Ethicare Remedies, which I got from eMegaMart India. So this face wash is a daily cleansing face wash which is 100% soap free, and it is mainly targeted towards oily and acne prone skin types. This face wash helps in removing excess oil and dirt from the skin, and it also helps in removing dead skin cells. The 70 gram of product retail for rupees 199, and it contains ingredients like aloe vera, which is a very good humectant, and it also contains tea tree oil, which is known for its antimicrobial properties. The face wash also contains salicylic acid, which is a BHA or beta hydroxy acid, which helps in removing excess oil, excess sebum production, and it also helps in unclogging pores. Beta hydroxy acid or salicylic acid also helps in calming the inflammation on the skin, and it helps in reducing the size of active acne. The product also contains D-panthenol for reducing inflammation and soothing irritated skin. It does contain perfume, but it is the last ingredient of this face wash. The face wash have a gel-like consistency, and it contains these purple and white beads for gentle exfoliation. These exfoliating beads are easy on the skin and does not feel excessive gritty or excessive harsh on the skin. For usage, you just need a pea-sized amount of this product. Just mix it with some water and just wash your face with it in gentle circular motion, because it contains some exfoliating beads in it. So don't be harsh or very aggressive while washing your face. It contains beads for mild exfoliation. Then you can wash it off with lukewarm water. This face wash makes the skin squeaky clean, but you do need a moisturizer afterwards because it can be quite drying to the skin. I would recommend this face wash only for oily and acne prone skin types. You can use this one once daily. If your skin allows you to use it twice daily, you can use it, but I would suggest that you should use it once daily because it can be drying to the skin. And if you have a normal or sensitive or dry skin type and you want to include this kind of exfoliating face wash in your skincare, I would recommend use it only 2 to 3 times a week, not every day. I'll put on the complete ingredient list and the purchase link in the description box below. If you want, you can check it out, and please go through the ingredient list one by one, because just to make sure that you're not allergic or sensitive to any of the ingredient which is present in the face wash or in any of the product which you are purchasing. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.